Hi, I'm Alex, and I'm a new Mac user.
Hey, don't look so sad. Inject a little bit more life.
Okay, let's try that again. Hi, I'm Alex, and I'm a new Mac user. I just started using the Mac a few weeks ago. This is a hand-me-down from my wife, and it's been a whole new experience for me because I've been a PC user and a Windows user for a good 18 years. One of the things I realized after starting to use this MacBook Pro is that the power bricks seem to have a bit of a problem because some of our other friends have also encountered this issue. If you look at this power brick and the cable that connects to it, there's this little gap in between, and it looks like the cables inside there are fraying and they might need some attention. So if you don't strengthen it or do something about it, over time, it might just break off. If your MacBook is not under warranty anymore, then you might want to use this method. But if it's still under warranty, I suggest you try sending it down to the closest Apple store and see whether they would replace it for you. But if it's not under warranty and you don't want to fork out a good $100 on it, then perhaps you could try this method that I'm going to show you. But before we get to it, make sure you've got the following items: cable tie and maybe some old IDE cables, and a pair of scissors. So this is an IDE cable. You can pretty much get it from an old computer of yours, or you could hop down to your local computer store and pick up one for a very cheap price. It's probably $1 or $2. So what we will do is we'll start by cutting off a length of IDE cable, just like this. Okay. You just need a very short length. So just cut something off about that length. And in terms of width, you probably need something that's around about an inch. So what we will do now, okay, so we'll get our power brick. And if you note, you see the gap. Okay, have your cable ties handy as well. And what we're going to do now is we're going to wrap that short length that you took out around this cable to reinforce it. Try and wrap it as tightly as you can, because we're going to try and take away the force from that joint, but instead we're going to transfer it to the cable and to the power brick itself. So there you go. It's somewhat tied around. So you grab your cable tie. Okay, have one end of it there. Circle around. Put it in. Okay, so have one end of the cable tie as close as you can to the power brick and tighten it as tight as you can to securely fasten it. So once again, tighten it as best as you can. Yeah, so it should look something like that. And with the excess, grab that scissors I mentioned earlier and snip it off neatly. Okay. Snip it carefully. You don't want to break your power brick. And there we go. It's pretty much done. Might not look the most aesthetically pleasing, but I think it'll work. So go ahead, try and make one today.